Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to create a group chat in Snapchat, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to Snapchat and go to chats. Next click on the new chat or on the three dots in the top right and select a new chat. Next you need to select the members of your group. There are maybe as many as you need. Select and from above you can enter the name of your group that you need. Great. Now we click chat with the group and that's it. A group chat has been created. That's how simple it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye. Have a nice day.